Today we'll talk about how can you disable store purchases on your Walmart app. We're going to figure out the solution and know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you just click here on accounts, it's going to take you to this list and all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down and you click here on communications here. So then you come to next step here, just switch into open video. So then all you have to do, just click here on store purchases here. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you list like this. Come here to this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean now it's disabled with us here to allow to automatically add store purchases to your purchase. So history, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.